ready to eject into the fun of Among Us on your Ubuntu system, without spending a single credit. Before we dive in, remember that we will cover how to play the game without officially purchasing it. This means that accessing the game will take some extra steps, and it might differ from the official version. Always be mindful of copyright laws. First is our primary method, leveraging an emulator. This requires an emulator, often found within package managers or directly through the web. A common choice is Lutris, which has a user-friendly graphical interface. Using an emulator can be the quickest method for many games, Among Us included. Install the chosen emulator. Then, within the emulator, you should locate the game. Often, emulators provide pre-configured installations. Streamlining this process, check the emulator's community guidelines for the most reliable and up-to-date setup tutorials. The emulator downloads and configures the title to be playable straight from the desktop shortcut. Launch Among Us through the emulator, and you should be ready to experience the suspense, deception, and ultimate betrayal with your friends. Now be sure to check all your tasks. Another possible path, albeit less common, involves searching for open-source versions or community-built recreations that are available for Linux. These versions aim to emulate the classic gameplay, but might have variable feature sets. Use a search engine to find a suitable game version. Once you locate a project, carefully follow the instructions provided. Installation will vary. Some projects may require compiling source code, while others offer pre-built packages. Successfully installing and running one of these alternatives will deliver an experience similar to the original, but keep in mind any differences in gameplay. Whether you choose the emulation route or find an open-source alternative, you are set to play Among Us for free. Have some fun. Remember to check your vent and enjoy the chaos.